Hey guys, I'm Elliot Song and I'm a criminal defense lawyer practicing in Southern Ontario, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you shouldn't refuse a breathalyzer. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when we add new stuff to our channel. The Christmas season is coming and a lot of you guys are going to be attending Christmas parties at work and holiday get-togethers with family, and some of you might enjoy a drink or two at said events. Around this time of year, the police ramp up their ride stop programs, and some of you may find yourself blowing into one of these breathalyzer machines either on the roadside or at the police station. So should you be giving a breath sample? Well, I'm here to tell you 3 reasons why you should blow into a breathalyzer when demanded to do so by a police officer. The first reason why you should blow into a breathalyzer when demanded to do so by a police officer is, if you refuse or fail to blow into the machine, you will be charged with fail or refuse breathalyzer under section 320.15 of the Criminal Code of Canada. That's right. It's a criminal offense when you refuse or fail to blow into a breathalyzer when demanded to do so. The exact wording of the section is as follows. Everyone commits an offense who, knowing a demand has been made, fails or refuses to comply without reasonable excuse with the demand made under section 327.27 or 320.28. At trial, the Crown has less elements to prove beyond a reasonable doubt to secure a conviction. This being an accused refused or failed to blow into a breathalyzer without a lawful excuse. Relatively speaking, the Crown will have an easier time with a refuse case versus an impaired or over 80 case. The second reason why you should blow into a breathalyzer is because you very well might blow under the legal limit. In case you don't know, the legal limit is 80 milligrams of alcohol in 100 milliliters of blood. Roadside breathalyzers are set up to fail people at 100 milligrams of alcohol in 100 milliliters of blood, which is 20 milligrams of alcohol over the legal limit. That means people get a bit of a break on the roadside where the machines give a pass on readings at or below 50 milligrams of alcohol in 100 milliliters of blood, a warn between 50 milligrams and 100 milligrams of alcohol in 100 milliliters of blood, and a fail when the reading is at or above 100 milligrams of alcohol in 100 milliliters of blood. Please note that how you feel is not a gauge of your BAC at a given moment. Some people have a higher sensitization to the effects of alcohol due to an existing built-up tolerance. In other words, you may be a highly functional and very capable drunk, but the breathalyzer readings will still register your blood alcohol concentration as being over the legal limit. I've had clients who had very little to drink and may very well might have blown under, but refused to blow and found themselves in the same situation as those charged with impaired driving and over 80, with much worse facts. Also note that the penalties for refuse are essentially the same as impaired driving and over 80. You might not even be over the legal limit. The third reason why you should blow into the breathalyzer is because if you're convicted of refuse, you may also be convicted of impaired driving at the very same time. If you were charged with both impaired driving and refuse, this may be something that might happen to you. And it's quite often that an individual will be charged with both impaired driving and refuse. When someone is charged with impaired driving and over 80, that accused cannot be convicted of both impaired driving and over 80 at the very same time, due to something called the pineapple principle. Accused can only be convicted of one or the other and not both. Not so with refuse and impaired driving. They can nail you on both, and you'll probably end up paying a higher fine during sentencing as a result. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Now, a word to the wise, and this will sound cliche, but please don't drink and drive. If you do drink, please do so responsibly. Believe me when I say that the legal fees and the collateral costs will far outweigh the costs of taking a taxi home. With that in mind, until next time, much love and thank you for watching. For today, guys, I hope you enjoyed our video.